Oh my god, if you haven't tried this fettuccine Alfredo yet, you really need to. It's rich, comforting, and incredibly satisfying. So let's make it without wasting any time. In a pot of boiling water, add salt. Now add 200 grams of fettuccine Alfredo pasta and boil it until al dente. While the pasta cooks, let's start preparing the sauce. In a separate pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, add half an onion, finely chopped, and 2 garlic cloves, chopped. Sauté for about 10 to 15 seconds, just until fragrant. Do not overcook it. We want the flavor to stay soft and fresh. Now pour in 1 cup of heavy cream and mix it well. Keep stirring until the cream and butter are beautifully combined. Add salt to taste and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix again until the sauce turns silky, smooth, and creamy. You will notice the texture changing, and that is exactly what we want. This is the base of a perfect Alfredo sauce. Now add the boiled fettuccine pasta directly into the sauce. Toss it gently until every single strand is well coated. Take your time here. This step makes all the difference. Once done, garnish with a little black pepper and fresh cilantro. You can also add Parmesan cheese if you want it extra rich and indulgent. I personally love it just like this, simple and classic. This pasta comes together in no time, so please try it once and let me know in the comments how you like your Alfredo. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and happy cooking.